is carried by options cockroaches, hens, dogs, rabbits. Answer is dogs. Next question. Milk turning sour is a options physical change, reversible change, chemical change, none of these. Answer is chemical change. Next question. The wearing of or carrying away of soil by the action of water or wind is called options storm, flood, soil erosion, deforestation. Answer is soil erosion. Next question. Whales and dolphins are classified as options fishes, reptiles, mammals, amphibians. Answer is mammals. Next question. The working of the internal organs of our body is controlled by this system. Options reproductive, circulatory, respiratory, nervous. Answer is nervous. Next question. A person might find if his heart doesn't send enough blood to his options feet, liver, kidneys, brain. Answer brain. Next question. The upward push of water on a floating object is called options buoyant force, volume, density, pressure. Answer is buoyant force. Next question. The first artificial satellite launched by India in 1975 was options Sputnik, Aryabhatta, Charaka, INSAT. Answer is Aryabhatta. Next question. Those who study earthquakes are called options geologists, seismologists, astronomers, astrologers. Answer is seismologist. Next question. Which of the following gas is not a greenhouse gas? Options carbon dioxide, oxygen, methane, CFC. Answer is oxygen. Next question. The model of the earth is called a options circle, sphere, globe, marble. Answer is globe. Next question. Agriculture cannot be practiced on mountains on a large scale as they options are thinly populated, have a shortage of land, have a thin soil cover, have unsuitable climate. Answer is have a thin soil cover. Next question. The condition of the atmosphere at a given place and time is called options season, climate, altitude, weather. Answer is weather. Next question. The highway of Central Africa is another name for options River Nile, River Congo, River Jimbani, River Congo. Answer is River Congo. Next question. Most of the grasslands of the world are found in options tropical zone, temperature zone, torrid zone, frigid zone. Answer is temperate zone. Next question. Any sound louder than 90 decibels can cause options asthma, digestive problems, typhoid, loss of hearing. Answer is loss of hearing. Next question. Aligarh Muslim University is associated with options Rabindranath Tagore, Tansen, Kalidas, Syed Ahmad Khan. Answer is Syed Ahmad Khan. Next question. The English government introduced the policy of divide and rule to options: educate India, encourage nationalism, reform Indians, suppress nationalism. Answer is suppress nationalism. Next question. Purna Swaraj means options: non cooperation, civil disobedience, boycott, complete independence. Answer is complete independence. Next question. The Lok Sabha can have a maximum of 12 members, 552 members, 238 members, 543 members. Answer is 552 members. Next question. The League of Nations was formed to prevent destruction, loss of lives, droughts, another world war. Answer is another world war. Next question. The world has been made smaller due to options: wheels, steam engines, fast means of transport, cars. Answer is fast means of transport. Next question. Internet is a source of information on options: documentaries, email, any topic, a few topic. Answer is any topic. Next question. What is the name of the Space Center of India? Answer: Indian Space Research Center, ISRO. Study of coins is known as. Answer: numismatics. Study of coins is known as numismatics. Army Day is celebrated on which date? January 15th. Next question. First Indian and Asian to win Nobel Prize. Rabindranath Tagore. First Indian to win Nobel Prize and Bharat Ratna. Mother Teresa. First dam in India. Answer is Kalnai Dam, built across the river Kaveri, Tanjavur. Next question. Magnetic Hill is located in Leh Ladakh. Magnetic Hill is located in Leh Ladakh. Next question. First Indian to go up in space. Rakesh Sharma. First Indian to go up in space is Rakesh Sharma. National fruit. Mango. Our national fruit is mango. National animal. Our national animal is tiger. National heritage animal of India. Elephant. National heritage animal of India is elephant. National aquatic animal of India. Dolphin. National aquatic animal of India. Dolphin. National river. Answer is the Ganga. Our national river is Ganga. Father of the nation. Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Our father of the nation is Mahatma Gandhi. Next question. National tree. Banyan tree. National flower. Lotus. National bird. Indian peacock. National currency. Indian rupee. National flag. Tiranga. National anthem. Jana Gana Mana. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. National song. Vande Mataram. National reptile. King cobra. Thank you students for watching this video.